iPhone maker is now trading at its lowest since November. The day's drop erased more than $60 billion on Apple's market capitalization, putting it under 2.5 trillies. I remember a first $1 trillion company. Now they just throw around trillies like it ain't no nothing. Mm-hmm. Like it ain't no nothing, Will. Mm-hmm. Shares in Apple have fallen for 5 straight weeks. Their longest weekly losing streak since May, and part of a broad-based weakness in tech stocks. That's what I think it's about. I don't think it's it's so specific to Apple. It's a global,
the tech industry and
macro stuff going on. Yeah, I don't have to tell you, Mo. You're a big investor these days.
Into the world.
You're a big investor these days, right?
Mm-hmm. Well, I'm big into just learning about it. I'm not making like big investments or anything.
But you're investing, are you not?
Yes, I am.
Well, dude, you don't have to lie to us.
Well, why would you learn something and not actually put it into practice?
Because you turn into an addict like you did.
Mm-hmm. That's a very good reason, actually.
I mean, it depends what the subject is. I guess you can become an addict in anything, really.
Exactly, yeah.
So it's up to you. But some things are more addictive than others. Mm-hmm. Well,
Mo's a smart guy. He knows what to do.
Is that true,
Let's
Mo?
see.
Is that true? Do you have evidence?
We'll find out.
Do you have evidence?
On the next episode?
Yeah. Mo starts telling us his portfolio. He shares his portfolio.
Yeah.
Portfolio update.
Look how diverse my portfolio is.
It's Mo. Who wants to see Mo's portfolio updates? No, I mean, that's heavily requested.
I hope not.
That's all.
I'm not going to do it, actually.
It's all I see. It's all I see in the comments. It's all I see. See, Mo is smart. Like, I mean, look at these people. They know. They want the portfolio updates. Mo equals smart is the comment I'm seeing right now.
That should be a T-shirt.
Mo equals smart.
But very simple font.
I mean, we have so many T-shirts, right?
Yeah.
Like we need a Bronco T-shirt for Will. That's my number one.
Yes.
Willie Doo's Bronco. Get out of here.
Yeah.
That's the hottest shirt. It's like a retro style.
Oh, I like it.
It's the hottest shirt. Willie Doo's Bronco.
Yeah.
He's riding the Bronco. It's like ripping out of your shirt.
It's unbelievable what we can do with it. Because it's also like a Bronco is also the horse. Mm-hmm. Oh, it's unbelievable. It's what we can do with that.
Yes, okay.
No. We're going nowhere, Will. We're going nowhere. We're going everywhere while we're going nowhere. Going nowhere fast.